Celebrate New Year's Eve with this classy condiment. Perhaps you've heard of something called Mignonette Sauce. This classic French condiment has been used as a celebratory companion for oysters on the half-shell since the 1930s in America. There are more than 200 species of oysters, each varying in levels of brininess, succulence, and sweetness. We know it looks like it would be pronounced mignonette, but one way to remember to pronounce it correctly is to think of a filet mignon. It has a very similar pronunciation to mignonette. The mignonette part of the sauce is a bit of a mystery too. It translates to small and sweet in French. Mignonette also refers to the actual peppercorns that make up the targeted flavor of the sauce. So what exactly is mignonette sauce? Well, it's a classic French condiment, a vinaigrette made with minced shallots, cracked peppercorns, and vinegar. This sharp, tangy delight is the perfect companion for fresh oysters, intensifying their briny goodness. The vinegar's acidity and the subtle heat of black pepper come together to enhance the natural taste of oysters, without stealing the spotlight. And the history of how it became an oyster companion in America all began in the 1930s at the Sherry Netherlands Hotel in New York, thanks to Chef Theophile Kiefer. Chef Kiefer crafted this masterpiece that we use today, and the secret lies in the combination of a white or red wine vinegar reduction, coarsely cracked peppercorns, salt, and finely chopped shallots. Mix it up, cover it, and chill it for up to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. With New Year's Eve swiftly approaching, you might even try adding a splash of champagne for that extra touch of sophistication and complexity to your sauce. The subtle acidity and bright fruit flavors will complement your succulent oysters. Oyster shucking can be a bit of a challenge, and if it's your first time, you might find yourself questioning whether all this effort is even worth it. The classic way of opening an oyster is to use a shucking tool, like this. But for those who want a helping hand, there are oyster shucking machines that will speed up the process so you can enjoy a spoonful of mignonette sauce on your oysters before the New Year's Eve ball drops. Well, there you have it, a quick dish on the classic oyster condiment, mignonette sauce. Have a happy new year. And as always, my friends, stay saucy.